ကျမ်းမြေကိုဖောက်ပြီးတော့ပေါ့နော်ဒါကြားရဲ့ကျမ်းမြေကိုဖောက်ပြီးတော့အောက်မှာဒါပြီးမိနေတဲ့
ဟုတ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီမဲ့ဟွာတိုင်းမဲ့
သူတော့ဒါလူနာကို
ဒီလေအောက်စီဂျင်ပေးပါမယ်အောက်စီဂျင်ပေးမယ်အောက်စီဂျင်
好嘞，咱们人家都往兜里呀，兜里嘛嘞，这这嘛嘞呀，老在话里头年轻，喏，我这好吧，你也是的，下来。ဖြစ်တာကိုပြောတယ်
စစ်တပ်တိုက်ပေါ့အားတဲ့လောက်ဆင်းသွား3တဲ့လောက်ပဲကျက်အခုဒီလိုလုံနေတော့မယ်အခုကတော့ဟိုတဲ့မနေ့ကတော့2ယောက်ထွက်တယ်ဟိုတဲ့နေ့က1ယောက်ထွက်တယ်3ယောက်နောက်တဲ့လူတွေတော့ကြံနေထပ်တော့မတွေ့သေးဘူးဖြစ်တဲ့နေရာနဲ့ဒီနေ့ဆိုကျွန်တော်4ရက်အဲ့လောက်တော့ရှိရမပြည့်စေညတွေအစားလာဆောင်ဖြစ်ဖြစ်အနံ့တော့ကိုယ်နဲ့လည်းထွက်တယ်အခုတူးနေရဲ့ချိန်တော့အနံ့တော့တိတ်မထွက်သေးဘူးအနေရထီတော့အနံ့တော်တော်ဆိုးတယ်ထွက်ရကြသွားတယ်မပြောတတ်
29လမ်း86 84တောင်းอ่ะ29လမ်း84
The immediate needs of the affected communities, as in any, I would say, earthquake, are becoming increasingly urgent. You have shelter, the foods, the clean water, essential household items are all in a short supply. Some people in the affected areas spent the night in the open, and some of us as well, together with the humanitarian actors, because you have no electricity, you have no running water.
Jenny Mama. Howdy. Where are you?
50ဒီ50တက်ခဲ့ပြီနော်ဒီကအဲ့မှာထောက်တယ်မလားထောက်တယ်ထောက်တာကိုနဲ့တစ်ထည့်ထားတော့ဒီတစ်ထုံးမှာလေဒီကတစ်ထုံးမှာလေ
It's really dire. I was in the communities on Saturday, and the most immediate and important need is water. It is super hot out there, and communities don't have access to running water, and they don't have access to drinking water. So we have to get water out to communities. And as Nadia said, it's not just one time. We need to be providing water that will last those households a couple of days, and then come back to make sure that they have sufficient for their household needs until we can find a sort of more sustainable option.
The most urgent requirements is to deploy shelter and relief items to the affected areas. It is also essential to monitor risks around explosive ordnance. Remember, there has been an active conflict going on in Myanmar since the last 4 years. Before this, the humanitarian crisis in Myanmar was a forgotten one. I mean, you heard Marco saying over there that the overall humanitarian needs were just at 5%. We at UNHCR, the UN Refugee Agency, we had asked before this, the earthquake and the disaster hit, had asked for $88 million, and till now we had just got 16% of that fund. So to move forward from here, all humanitarian efforts would need to be funded. As you've been hearing, the stocks that we have on the ground will not last forever. So we will need to fly in support, and that's why it's very important that we get the resources that we need.